So yeah guys, so we're there on the road. I do some few things guys you we can get. Cause you know the hurricane a come or something guys, and we don't want the old man die for hunger. So we're there on the road. I get 1 and 2 things. We are go home back guys, so I'm gonna see what the day is like, cause this storm is really coming guys. Like that, I'm face it go. We got to see a glass. Wonder what going on here so now. Accident, guys. People them won't take time in the rain. Love mercy, carry through safe, God.
talk about Daddy Brady. Me a talk.
Like other side of the rain there, you know. This side of the rain there.
You don't have to be about no like up or something.
Yeah. Pure weather, rain. Yes, guys, today are the rainy day. Weather. What this here for? This are the thing camera charge of this. I wonder why this something more of short so.
That for the light.
The light, should say. That's why this something more of short so.
I want to plug them out because when time I'm ready to look for them and can't find them, so rather than stay plugged.
The excuse. So they are lethal now, guys. Not the weather here. But I say tropical star Melissa.
Yeah. One Melissa.
Melissa, now come here, you know, guys, and it look like a disaster pass on the road already.
I hear the breeze blow out the window, so.
Look at me, see. You see that, guys? No, normal out there.
See, they're in a range, you know.
Hey, God. Say weather. Pure weather. Yes, guys. The day before the hurricane, the day before the storm, or the day when the hurricane. I not even know. All me know where I look back Golden Grove side and I be a black me I see, guys.
True, man.
Me not see no white, beer black. Look at the sea.
I
don't know normal, guys.
Right now I'll buy tomorrow morning water do it by road there.
Yeah, nobody can pass out here.
That's
so. Buy a little more to a morning, guys.
See, look, and I have this.
Yeah, you see come right out.
Yeah, look, you see them put the wall there, sir.
It a reach over here already. I'm going to see when me troublesome pick me I go on with it now. See it down there, the weather. Yeah. Down here so the rain there, guys. As usual. We normally get the rain first, you know, because we've been getting it from last week, so it is not strange to us. But down this side I get it now and then, but I get it now. I can see one of the drainage system where they make already full of water. Them little drainage system where they have, you know, guys, them they can't manage the water, you know, look at them how they small. It kind of little bit better still, cause normally out here, so would have a big pool. So it kind of way better, but to the amount of water we are going to take out here, so guys, then look at something here now, go contain it.
Yeah, do that normally flood out already.
Yeah. So should have left our yard already. So we there Port Morant, you know, guys.
When we say mommy, I want post me, sis, me I talk about, guys.
Everybody have mommy and sister for babes, you know, guys. Yeah, brother.
I want nice lady still, Miss Arrow.
Yeah.
Nice lady.
Some of them don't deserve to call sister still, you know. True. I tell you, some of them are all demons, them.
True. Some of them don't deserve a mommy either.
No, sir.
Up on the riverbed.
But me sure no what go on out there, so guys. Look out there, so. Pool that. Here, Papa, no guys. I know pool that. I just a water.
I water this
Over where they go?
Don't go right down this and stop and make you come catch on.
See that? See behind?
Really, but I see as close as we want to see if we park, so I know make double park.
Hey.
They are telling me, boy.
So yeah, guys, Huddle and Puddle. Yeah, man.
Guys, that's some of my good work me I take when I see me go over this. Just in case, you see that? First man drop that down in a hole, so push.
Aye, so this is what Port Morant look like today, guys, on a Saturday rainy day.
Grab bush.
Seems that way. It's gonna drop. Audience put down the bottle. No, the drinks is here, Kevin, to get drinks. Satisfied with what you got.
Audience, stop it.
Round here, so no bad neither. For them fix, yeah, make a drink. Audience, stop it. Yeah, what pay mine? Like him still they must stop.
Again. Better drive through to clear the road if nothing. Block it up,
I sure hope so.
Yeah, the time I hear out there see storm come with that they normally do. They normally get man to clear the road if nothing. But after I storm that way.
When we live at Olava and you see storm come or hurricane, after entering the hurricane finish, we walk down Olava and we walk go Mali. We go Church Pen, we go Olava Bay. Because remember then time there, no vehicle can pass more in the ordinary. You have walkers, you have all type of things dropping on the road, light post, light wire and something there. So you have to walk. So walk and see one who get damaged and so. But it kinda early now, guys. So we can't tell what are gonna be the outcome because even though we are get lot of rain, we don't know what going to be the outcome. But we just pray and hope for the best. That we have pray and hope for the best. You know, cause
if we get me know say flooding that go on still, but if we get more rain than the hard breeze,
yeah,
I think it will kind of hold down. You know, I don't think no whole heap of people that get damaged or so if
something like that should happen.
Yeah, if we get the hard rain. Well, too, I see down a town that flood out already, Clarendon and some place.
Yeah, because it don't start yet already. Well, normally a town still, normally on a regular basis, when rain fall a town, all of the water them from uptown wash come downtown. So you have the water where you come from Papine, them place they go straight back downtown because the way how the road set up, the way how the road situated kinda downhill, hill and gully like. So it have a rising and it have a lean side. Yeah. So the road not really straight, it kinda lean. And you see out here, so if the rain continue, the water come up to the road.
Man, so water go
out here so soon block off, guys.
You see, right there's a big river run behind this, you know. Yeah. That are the river where you see run on that bridge up there. So.
Yeah.
So you see anytime that river they touch land, all of this so.
Come down.
Yeah.
And that's why crocodile them come out.
And round here so, water bust through here so too.
Yeah.
So I don't know them have to go put drain on the two sides.
No, they are going to Stay there. You don't sleep. Where you get that iron from? So yeah guys, so the rain we are going to continue tonight until tomorrow morning out here, so I go block, so you know say no vehicle can go come back this side. Oh, not even truck. Most time not even truck never want to come.
It depends on where the rain falls still, peeps.
Yeah, it all depends on where the rain fall. But as we say, we don't really know what going to be the outcome.
Yeah.
But we just pray and hope for the best.
Yes, alright, already for true.
Yeah, it a rise. I tell us it a rise. But we know if we up in the hill, we are going to get the rain, because rain already a fall from last week.
Yeah.
So there's no doubt about it, guys. Rain for days up there, so.
Mommy.
Yes, God, me thank you, me give you thanks.
You have to take time in them pothole here.
Up, bro, Jay. Then I go on the liquor weather food.
Yeah, man.
I forget the weather food, brother. Yeah. Now, no long me here, man. I say for 5 days last. And the food done, he just go and hold it out fierce a day.
Hey. Why not you go over down in them corner?
Man, that's why I take my little time.
Because when the water full up the pothole, them guys, most of the time.
Very good time, man.
Yeah, when I see out there, so guys, a clear fog up in the hills, rain up there like trouble, guys. Rain like.
Yeah, she say I'm in the hills and Portland, I get the whole of the rain.
Alright, well on the pop, well on the there is sir.
I try to give you a good stop.
There is a say she can't hold it.
Where road there again? One little road there somewhere about there.
God have mercy.
Little spot.
Little spot. So I'm gonna pull off nice.
So yeah guys, we're there on the way to Arcade Crossing. Pull off one of them biscuits. Let me pull it off. Give me that. No, give me, it's alright. Yeah, put back them so I wanted a riverbed, you know, guys.
I think going after go so bad like.
Yeah, come here make you go to.
Yeah.
Yes, so.
Can't say then see me a race on West Road, yeah? Yeah. But me not much speed, me alright. The road dry now, I long wicked. The true road, you see me? Cause me can go at least 80 or so. Then can't touch me. Once you're there on 80, you know they over it.
You're pretty good one.
Yeah, I tell you.
I fly and the car follow behind them. Probably the car go with them, I travel with them too.
Yeah. Squally.
Or can you beat me gone? Yeah, you can beat me gone.
Try something them.
Oh.
The thing them we can put on in our roof. And screw up.
Yeah, me buy 4 of them. I give something with screw gun
We
you
don't
get.
get the rope. Get the rope done up, more than directly with me. People are developed this. Oh, if you are the double
So
time.
them a work out there, so guys, we see them part off there.
Yes,
We have to take a little bypass here, people.
But unfortunately, this a bridge now go down for now, guys. Cause a weather come over here, man a plan and gotta wipe out. Or something like that they go on. Right now it's full of water. No, it's our bridge in there, so she hasn't changed out it. See all water start circle over this already there.
Now if you have some farm a drain set up, we run back the water in it if we go
Yeah.
in the riverbed. You see if they don't do that,
No ain't a
they
problem.
go on the road out just after that one.
They just a fix the road for nothing
And
at
the
all.
business place them, now go flood out no car, them a go high if you notice.
Yeah.
You notice how for them grounds are high.
Mm-hmm.
And we put the water in the drainage.
Like them already smite the something already.
I rush out that's so true. You know.
Mm-hmm.
I remember say road they have take it time and I do you know. Rush it. Anytime you rush things you know it go.
So they are Golden Grove, guys.
we going up.
Or I get a bag of feed. Pass a walk around in place.